Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm in the Texas Native Plant Lab here at the Arboretum, and all of these plants are native to Texas, and I've got some real cool ones, especially right behind me here. You can see this really full-size prickly pear. This is Opuntia ellensiana, and it's a gorgeous one, pretty much thornless. It still has some tiny little hairs on it. If you want to start one of these, you just have to find the plant. You can order these online. They'll send you a pad, and you just plant it in the ground about this deep. And you can see the roots that have already formed on this. And this will form a whole new prickly pear plant. So it's a lot of fun. But the thornless ones are pretty easy to have in the yard, because you don't have to worry about bumping into them, or if you have to prune them or anything, you won't have any troubles. But there are a lot of different species. You can see some of these unusual ones right here in these containers here in the lab. Little Monk, Citrus Punch, Dark Night, lots of different fun names too. Like people who love to breed with these new cultivars and put them on the market, folks that collect them as well. But if you'd like to try prickly pear, try a little thornless one like you see right here. I think you could have fun with it. Take care, I'll see you real soon. I'm Dave Forehand.